Is there anything more embarrassing than a project that takes a whole year to start, but only a few hours to finish? Hi, I'm Arati, and today I'm finally building this garden-themed book nook that I got for Christmas a whole year ago from my niece. I've been staring at this box on my shelf for over 12 months. I have already read the instructions the first week that I got it, but I'm finally stopping the procrastination right now. Let's see if I can turn a bunch of laser-cut sheets into a 3D masterpiece in less than the time it's taken me to actually get started. Watch all the way to the end to see how long it actually took me. It is so early in the morning that I'm actually still in my pajamas, but I guess that's what spending some time just doing something for fun is all about, I guess. So I'm just going to gently cut away the plastic. I'm glad it's all in one rather than individually wrapped. I don't know whether I will film the entire process because after all it's about being mindful and being in the moment, but I will certainly film the bits where I get frustrated or I'm annoyed at something, because those are the funniest bits, aren't they? Look, everything's got a number on it. So I'm gonna place them. This is plant stickers, so I'm guessing I won't need these for a while. Let's put those on that side. Construction bits. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Look at that. That is really pretty. Super pretty stuff. Okay, stories and books. Everything has numbers. There's this plastic thing, which I'm guessing is the glass part of stuff. And yeah, everything is very clearly labeled. I'm glad of that because I've never done anything like this before. I think the closest thing my sister and I have done a cardboard Statue of Liberty, which is about like 2 feet tall, but that was a puzzle. So, okay, all the bits. I think this is the part where I need to read some instructions. It is equipped with 2 controllable lights. It has a warming floor lamp, openable window structure, various plants, a curved staircase, and a touch lighting switch, which is fortunately on the front. So you don't actually have to pull it out of anywhere. You can actually put it on the shelf and then switch it on and off. Fantastic. Okay, so I'm not going to go through all of this stuff. I'm keeping the box so I can put all the parts in it as I go. There's some instructions about the icon illustrations. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, special attention in assembly, cut along the dashed lines, perspective conversion, fix with glue, and remove the film on the surface. So there's a few question and answers and things. Seems pretty self-explanatory. Tips of glue. Glue is a complimentary gift and not part of the product. If you encounter issues such as glue spillage, drying out, or expiration, you may use your own glue. Okay, that's good to know. It's the same thing in multiple languages. Okay, let us start. I'll probably pop some music over this because I will need to concentrate and not get this wrong. All right, so here we are, about 15 minutes in, and I've already got a staircase. I accidentally glued this. There hasn't actually been any gluing so far. It's just clicked in together. And the first actual gluing, they do put a sign here where you have to glue. Everything else just clicks in. And I have been ticking off the parts that I add in just so I don't miss anything, because my memory is not the best. But anyway, it hasn't taken as long as I thought it would. Maybe later parts will. So onwards and upwards. I won't be filming everything, but I'll film the interesting bits. It's taken me less than an hour to do this. I've got the staircase, I've got the back bit, and it did have like little stickers and things, and this actually moves because it's actually stuck on a peg. That's so cool. It's got all the little paper flowers and everything, and all of these things have to be stuck on. Yeah, it's really lovely. So yeah, that's what I've got in less than an hour. Why has it taken me so long to get started? I don't understand. Oh yeah, onwards. There's actually some really clever bits of engineering in this. These little pegs go through the holes on this, and then these other little bits actually attach to the pegs. It took a little bit of figuring out, but there's actually no glue in this piece at all, which is really smart. 2 hours later, here I am. I feel like this is quite a lot of progress. It's almost half done. I'm on page 15 of like 30, so literally halfway. There are some really cute details in this. Like you have to stick these stickers in and all of these, and you had to roll this, which came in a straight sheet, to roll it and fit it in there. But yeah, very, very clever design. And so much fun. It's really fun. Around 3 o'clock, the light started to fade, my hands started to shake because that's what happens when I do fiddly work for a long period of time. So I decided to take a break and start again the next day. Overall, I did about 3 hours of work, and I think I achieved quite a lot. I don't know why I was so hesitant to start this off when it really didn't take very much time at all. I do see why they said age 14 plus, because there are a lot of fiddly bits, and I did get frustrated and also put a bit too much pressure and slightly cracked the top of the canopy over here. It's fine because it's stuck to something else, but it is cracked. So today I'm going to attempt to finish the rest of it. I don't think there's that much left, and hopefully by the end of this we'll have a review. If you enjoy my videos, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe if you're not already. It really helps me out. this was a really lovely kit to make. It took overall about 5.5 hours, I would say. And it's really lovely because you can see it from all sides. It's meant to be a book nook to be put in a bookshelf, but I feel like it's too pretty to do that. It's only the back, really, if I swish it around like this. It's only the back that has text on it, and even that's quite pretty looking. Let me take you inside. There's a little plant pot, some steps, wellies, and then I think this rocking chair is the only freestanding bit. There's the light. Looks so lovely. Turn it around and you can see this view. And then on this side, this actually opens and closes fully. So, I mean, I can't do it one-handed, but it does close fully. And that's so nice. The other lovely thing about it is that while it looks amazing without lighting, when you switch on the lights, it's delightful. But wait, let me switch off the lights. And now you get the full effect. In fact, it's so lovely that I might even put it on my bedside table as a nightlight. Look at that. And it creates really lovely shadows as well. Overall, I'd say this is a great present. I've kept it for a year. I'm not sure why I did that, why it took so long to do it. I just thought it would take a bit longer than it really did. And now that I've done it, I'm so happy with it. And if I were to get another one, I would definitely do it much sooner than a whole year later. Highly, highly recommend as a gift. Definitely for age 14 and up, as it says, because there are a lot of small fiddly bits and you need to be delicate and have some dexterity. Highly recommend. That was a great day of fun.